Hey Shopify merchants! It's Tapita Shopify SEO tutorial. Edit manual metadata and content optimization. First, open the app Tapita SEO and Speed. On the app's left tab menu, click on Content Optimization. You can choose to edit different page types, products, collections, blog posts, and landing pages. Scroll down if you need the detailed guidelines for the whole feature. To start editing a page's metadata manually, click on the button Edit of that page. Similarly to SEO Audit, this feature categorizes SEO errors of a page into critical and need improvement. I am editing a very low SEO scored page. The SEO preview pane shows how the page will be shown on Google result page, based on the meta title plus meta description you fill out here. That the bar is red means that the metadata length is not optimized. That the bar are green means that the metadata lengths are optimized. To start off, we fill in the focus keywords. You can get specific examples of entering focus keywords at the video description below. Focus keywords are optional, but if you fill in this field, just remember to include all focus keywords in all of your title, description, meta description, so you can get maximum SEO score. You can prepare your titles and descriptions before, just like what I am doing. If you haven't prepared yet, you can click on AI Generate and the app will create content based on your filled data fields. Don't worry of SEO optimization standard. Our AI generation will automatically generate SEO optimized content. Remember to fill in the image alt text. Once you finish, click Save to update changes. Now, click on Rescan to see your new SEO score. Your page content is now fully SEO optimized with Tapita app. You can see this page passed all SEO errors. And that's it for the tutorial today. Thanks for watching.